Hello everyone. Today's tech news is Number 1. John Wick's prequel is coming to Peacock in 2023, around the same time as the premiere of John Wick 4. Number 2. Samsung's $3,500 Odyssey Arc is a raft of a gaming display. It's fast and bright, yet its multi-view features may be equally appealing to you. Number 3. Apple is allegedly threatening to fire an employee over a viral TikTok video. The tech giant's social media policy isn't built for TikTok. Number 4. Watch out for the extreme heat belt developing across the central US. This tool lets you see how many hot days your home could swelter through in the future. Number 5. Spotify is offering 3 months free to new premium subscribers. Users who cancelled recently can resubscribe for $9.99. Number 6. Signal alerts 1,900 messaging users to a security threat from Twilio hackers. The attackers used their access to pull up 3 specific numbers. Number 7. Android 13 is now rolling out to Google's Pixel phones, but if you want to flash the update onto your Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, or Pixel 6a, with the company's custom Tensor chip, you won't be able to flash back to Android 12 because of a bootloader update, according to a notice on Google's developer website. Number 8. Xiaomi's CyberOne robot shows us what to expect from Tesla's promised Optimus bot. Humanoid robots can walk and chew gum, but not much more. Number 9. Microsoft Dev Box now ready for developers to try cloud-powered workstations. Developers get an early preview of Microsoft's Dev Boxes. Number 10. Hyper's 245W charger and battery pack now available to all. The release of the 2 accessories follows a successful release via a crowdfunding campaign. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.